We're here in Collegetown Center. We're on the third floor landing. You can see the elevator across from us on the right. I wanted to show you the location of the elevator in relation to the apartment that we're going to. It will be this next door over here. So we're just a couple of doors down from the elevator for apartment number 319. This is a studio apartment on the third floor of the 6th floor elevator building. We'll enter through the kitchen like we do with the studio apartments here in this building. And you can see it's the same kitchen setup. We have that refrigerator. The dishwasher is under the sink. We can see the microwave, the stove, the oven, and your assorted cabinets and drawers. And let's go into the apartment. The bathroom is across from the kitchen in this odd number style apartment, like 19. And you can see it's the same bathroom setup. So we have that shower tub with the sliding door, the sink and vanity that does open for more storage underneath, the toilet, and the medicine cabinet on the wall, and some towel racks. All the bathrooms also have a fan. Let's go into the apartment. We'll pass by the closet. We'll get that open so we can see in there. We have some good storage space in here in these closets. Lots of room to tuck your extra things into and for your hanging items. Let's see the rest of the apartment. So this is the rectangle style studio. This is our standard model. We are in an odd numbered studio, and I like the position of the bed here in this apartment. We'll get another look at it when we go into the unit. But you can see the full-size bed does stick out just a little bit here, but I think that's a good position to arrange the bed for the furnishings to give you some more floor space in the center of the apartment. We always will have that tall bookshelf. You can see the dining table and chair, the desk and chair, and the dresser. You can see that air conditioner underneath the window, and our heater is over here. You want to make sure that you're not blocking your heating unit so you have the best way to circulate your heat in the winter. We are on the north side of the building. That is the Dryden Road or street side. We're on the third floor. Over to our right is that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And to our left, we're looking down Dryden Road. We get a little bit more of a piece of open sky out that way. So here's a look again at the bed tucked over here in the corner. You can do this setup if your studio is on the north side and you have an odd number studio like 19. And so that is a look at Collegetown Center. We are in apartment number 319. This is a regular rectangle or standard style studio apartment on the third floor of the 6th floor building, located at 151 Dryden Road, here in the heart of Collegetown, just one block from campus.